Welcome again to Painting Explorer channel. I am Deni Junaedi. Today I will tell you how practice watercolor is. Watercolor is, for me, everywhere painting. We can use watercolor in wherever place. We can use watercolor in every situation. Okay, before I tell you about my experience using watercolor in some places, I will show you the material and the tools we need when using watercolor. Please enjoy this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. The first one we need is, of course, watercolor. We can choose dry watercolor or tube watercolor. This is the dry watercolor. You can use tube watercolor like this, and we also need, of course, paper. I cover the paper with plastic like this because it will save my painting or my paper before I paint or after I paint it. Okay, and then brush. This is the back of my brush like this. You can bring various brush, for example, fine brush or round brush like this, or flat brush like this, or even like this, or this one. This there are some size. This brush, long brush. We need watercolor pencil. You also need a cutter like this. It is for pencil. We can sharp with this cutter. You also need this one, the color palette. It is for mix watercolor, especially if you use tube watercolor. But if you bring the dry watercolor like this, you didn't need to bring this palette because in this packing there are a palette. The other thing you need is this one for water. Yeah. You can add water here. We can wash the brush. Also you need this one. It is important for spread the water. You need the tissue or sponge to wash your brush. You can bring the type to stack our paper in this wood. You can create a watercolor painting in a beach. Of course, we can paint in a lake. In the mountain, you can paint there. You can create watercolor painting in hotel room. In the bus, why not? You can use watercolor in a plane. if you have time while you are in a restaurant, after or before eating, you can create a painting. You also can create a painting in a meeting. On a stage, it is very amazing moment to create a painting. And don't forget your studio. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget subscribe Painting Explorer channel to update my videos. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.